Did you know the carbonated soft drink industry is worth over $400 billion? That's right. Selling soda can be your gateway to massive profits. Imagine turning a few cents of ingredients into a product that sells for 4 to 5 times the cost. But it's not just about profits, it's about tapping into an ever-growing market driven by global demand and innovative trends like sugar-free and functional sodas. Want to know how to break into this booming industry? From market research to branding secrets, we've got you covered. Hit play to unlock the blueprint for your successful soft drink brand. Hello entrepreneurs. Welcome to Entrepreneur India. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic. Why and how to start the business of carbonated soft drinks. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or a curious learner, this video is packed with valuable insights and actionable steps to help you launch a successful soft drink brand. Let's get started. Why start a carbonated soft drink business? Carbonated soft drinks dominate the beverage market for good reason. Here's why this business has massive potential. High global demand. The global carbonated beverage market, valued at $406 billion in 2021, is projected to hit $605 billion by 2030, growing at a 4.7% CAGR. Lucrative profit margins. Carbonated soft drink industry boasts incredible profit margins. For just a few cents in ingredients and production, a single bottle can retail for 4 to 5 times the cost. With low production expenses, scalable processes, and high consumer demand, this business is a goldmine for entrepreneurs. Scalability. Start small, then expand into new markets, innovative flavors, or related products like sparkling water. Consumer trends. Low sugar and natural sodas are gaining traction, offering opportunities for differentiation. How to start the business? Let's break it down into actionable steps. Step 1. Conduct market research. Identify your target audience, trends, and competitors. For instance, target audience, young adults, families, or health-conscious consumers. Competitors, Coca-Cola dominates, but niche opportunities exist. Trends, sugar-free beverages and eco-friendly packaging are booming. Develop a unique product. Focus on flavor, unique combos like floral or exotic fruits. Health, natural, reduced sugar options. Packaging, eye-catching and sustainable. 73% of millennials prefer eco-friendly choices. Create a business plan. Include projections and a revenue model. For instance, small-scale businesses can target $100,000 to $200,000 in annual revenue. Source equipment and ingredients. You'll need carbonators for CO2 infusion, mixers for blending syrups, bottling lines for packaging, legal compliance, secure certifications like food safety licenses and environmental clearances, branding and marketing. Build your brand with a catchy logo and slogan. Ads on Instagram and Facebook. 80% of beverage brands saw success through influencer marketing in 2023. Free samples at events to generate buzz. Distribution and sales. Explore e-commerce, retail partnerships, or collaboration with restaurants to reach customers. Success tips and challenges. Before we wrap up, here are some tips for success. Stay innovative. Offer limited edition flavors. Track trends. Shift to healthier ingredients as demand evolves. Prioritize quality to build loyalty. How we can help you. Starting a carbonated soft drink business is complex, but we're here to guide you. Need project consultancy services? Entrepreneur offers detailed manufacturing processes, in-depth market research, machinery specifications and raw material details, complete project financials. Have questions? Reach us via the details in the description. If you found this helpful, give us a like, subscribe for more business insights, and share your thoughts in the comments. Keep building your dreams and crafting smarter solutions. Contact us for more details.